Hi dear friends, hearty welcome in this session. Myself Pramod Gharat from NM Joshi Vidyabhan Goregaon. Today we are going to deal with another activity from the bridge course. Name of the activity: quotation, idiomatic expressions. Now look at there on the screen. There are some quotations. First, everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Written by quotation by Swami Vivekananda. What is there? Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Then next quotation: anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. Then a sweet friend refreshes the soul. These are the quotations. Now look at here what is means quotations. Definitions of quotations is: a quotations is an impactful statements of any great persons made at the specific situation, being praised and used by many all times. Therefore, quotation is used in present form like, look at there, John Keats says, beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Oliver Goldsmith says, where wealth accumulates, men decay. These are the quotations or impactful statements made by John Keats and Oliver Goldsmith. Means here is quotations. Quotations means is an impactful statements of any great persons made at the specific situations are being praised and used by many all times. Now let's see what is an idiom or idiomatic expressions. Look at there. Idiom means, look at there, face the music. Face the music means here you will have to face the music eventually. Here is the meaning of this idiom, face the music, means to accept punishments for something you have done. In this sentence there is used, you will have to face the music eventually, means you will have to accept the punishments for something you have done eventually. Idiom means it is a phrase or a group of words which has different meaning than the actual words used. For example, cool as cucumber. Cool as cucumber means calm in difficult or frustrations. Don't judge a book by its covers. Don't judge a book by its covers means here don't judge anything by its appearance. Means meaning of here, cool as cucumber means calm in difficult or frustrations, and don't judge a book by its covers means don't judge anything by its appearance. Look at their idiomatic expressions. It is a phrase or a group of words which has different meaning than the actual words. You have learned that cool as cucumber means calm in difficult situation, and don't judge a book by its covers means don't judge anything by its appearance. Look at here, there is a given learning activity for you. Into bracket there is given barrel of laugh, down to earth, daredevil, break a leg, go getters. These are the activity, this is the learning activity for you, and you have to use proper phrase in that or idiomatic expressions and complete these sentences. Before this, complete these sentences, look at here, match the following idioms with their appropriate meaning. Then you will come to know that what is the actual meaning of all these idioms. Barrel of love. In on screen you are seeing one part there is the given idioms, and in the second part there is the given meaning. You have to match the idioms with their appropriate meaning. First, barrel of love. Second, down to earth. Third, daredevil. Fourth, break a leg. Fifth, go getter. And in the second column there is the given meaning: a sensible and realistic person, someone who takes unnecessary risk, someone who is active all times, good lucks, someone who is very funny. Now you should match the idioms with their appropriate meaning. Look at there, what is the meaning of barrel of laugh? Barrel of laugh means someone who is very funny. Then down to earth. Down to earth means a sensible and realistic person. Then daredevil. Daredevil means someone who takes unnecessary risk. Break a leg. Break a leg means here is good luck. And go getter. Go getter means someone who is active all times. Now, by understanding the appropriate meanings of these idioms, you have to use the proper idioms in the given sentences. Okay, now you should solve this activity. Now let's see the next. Use the above idiom in your own sentences. Here is extension activities given for you. Read any English newspaper and list at least 10 idioms and try to understand how they are used in sentences. Now here is given one learning activity. Look at here. Raj, a 10th standard student interested in global history, and English has translated English has translated Panipat War and sent it to his international friends Sabiana from Germany. Now look at there, what is given. Panipat War was held between Marathas and Ahmad Shah Durrani. In this war, Marathas were in the winning position, but suddenly Ahmad Shah Durrani's army killed so many Marathas and won the war. In this war, 9 lakh Bengals were broken. In this war, 9 lakh Bengals were broken. Look at here, Sabiana. So sad. Indian women are brave. Did they fight against Ahmad Shah Durrani's male or female army? Now look at here. Guess the misunderstanding in the above conversation. You should guess the misunderstanding in the above conversation. Then tell the reasons for misunderstanding. Means you have to find out what is the reasons for misunderstanding and try to remove the misunderstanding by using proper word phrase instead of 9 lakh Bengals were broken. Means in this activity you will come to know that, means if we do not use the proper phrase or idiomatic expressions, then there would be misunderstanding. Then look at here, In idiomatic expression, the actual meaning is different one. For example, a squirrel's roles means can play the small role. It's Indian expressions with Ramayana traditions. When the god Ram and his army were building a bridge over the sea to reach the Sri Lanka, squirrels also helped them. Out of this myth, the phrase a squirrel's rose used for small and honest helps. Means when you do small and honest helps or little help at that times there is the use idiomatic expressions like squirrel's rose. Then look at here pass out. If we try to understand in India, I pass out the exams means got success in the examinations. But in USA, pass outs means died. Means we have to use these idiomatic expressions properly. Then look at here another practice activity is given for you in your bridge course. Find 10 idiomatic expressions from your school books or any other novel and write cultural traditional background behind. And then there is one more extensions or parallel activity is given for you. List any 10 idiomatic expressions from the internet and understand their meaning and use them in your own sentences. So, dear friends, you should find out idiomatic expressions, and here is given some idiomatic quotations. Use internet and find out the quotations and idiomatic expressions and write down in your bridge course notebook. Then you know that what I learned today. Today we learned about the quotations and idiomatic expressions. Thank you.